what we have here is the list of 7 items that should be taught in the seminar. The first one is the 4 C's. Now this is important to give a brief overview of what they are to your teachers because it is the base of education these days. Education standards now require, since we are in the 21st century, that the 4 C's are taught in everything that you are doing, any activities that you're doing as well. Now, one of the first 4 C's that you should talk about is collaboration. I would say give specific activities to enhance collaboration, like working with groups and how to effectively use different groups, whether it be online groups through Google Drive or groups within the classroom as well. This is important because the students need to know how to collaborate with each other to do well in the big world once they get a job. The next C that should be talked about is critical thinking. This is a huge one because students are now required to think strategically and analytically rather than just on the surface. You should tell the teachers of specific activities to also enhance critical thinking as well. This could be through the use of projects, through the use of researching online and then putting it into a presentation together, however you see is best fit. The next one is creativity. This is another important one because in this day and age, entrepreneurship is big and many people start their own businesses and become entrepreneurs. As stated before, specific activities should be taught to these teachers to enhance this as well in the seminar. One of those could be doing different art projects for whatever is being taught, whether it be social studies or math. You can do different art projects or just have the kids come up with things on their own. You can do ideas of creating your own building and how you would do that, stuff like that. Then the last C that should be talked about in the seminar is communication. This is really important within the 21st century because we are constantly talking with one another through our mobile devices, through email, through social media, and students should know how to communicate appropriately and politely as well. Specific activities should be shown at the seminar to enhance this as well, such as communicating through social media, have the students be on a blog site of yours or some sort of website that could enhance their communication with each other so that it can enhance their communication linguistically and culturally. Then the next one that should be taught at the seminar is EdTech Hub. EdTech Hub is one of the ISTE standards softwares or resources that they have. You could overview what it offers. It offers plans, ideas, and tools for technology integration. It also has a blog on it for teachers. This is really important because it'll help teachers learn digital literacy. It will help them learn how to effectively use a computer and become well at using a computer. And the last thing at the seminar should be teaching them about online screencast presentations and videos like the one here. This will enhance digital literacy as well because it will teach all the teachers that just showing a student a PowerPoint that's not interactive does nothing for the student. It needs to be interactive. It needs to be able to circle and highlight things like Screencast does. Those things should be taught at the seminar. All 7 of these things are really important in the 21st century because they all focus on digital literacy and how to enhance students' learning ability.